Let's go. Yeah.
And number 3, you got to focus in on your content and traffic sources. Let's talk about content for a second. Content is your title, your thumbnail, your hook, your video itself. And so what we're looking at is the metrics like impression, click-through rate data, your average view duration, and also your average percent viewed. Those are really important metrics, and we want to focus in on that and try to get them higher and higher. However, that being said, you got to look at through the lens of traffic sources. Traffic sources is the key if you really want to grow on YouTube, is understanding where your views are actually coming from. And so if you're getting a ton of views on search, you understand that you can only do so much because there's only so much search traffic. However, if YouTube recommends that video, which is browse feature and suggestion, you're gonna get a ton more views. You're gonna get a ton more recommendations because YouTube knows the type of viewer that would engage with your videos. And so what I do is look through the content that's actually performing really high on the channel and see where the traffic's coming from, and then try to replicate that time and time again.
Every minute with the fever dreams, I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the